Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E350 4MATIC. This one's steel gray metallic. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, so this one's going to give you 18-inch AMG wheels. It's going to give you the sports body styling and comfort suspension. Also comes with lane tracking package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, lane keeping assist. The tires are in good condition. For our interior, we've got a black MB Tex. Up top, we've got a sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, comfort box, fold down rear seats. Coming up front here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, nice wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got navigation, rear view backup camera, clock, radio, rear blind shade, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center. This E-Class has 58,353 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.